Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to blur sides of photo in Picsart. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To blur the sides of a photo in Picsart, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Launch the Picsart app on your device, then tap on the plus button or edit to open the photo you want to edit. Once your image is loaded, look for the effects or tools section. The exact location might vary based on the app version until you find the fit tool. Within this tool, locate the ratio settings and choose the ratio 3.2. This specific ratio ensures that the blurred background image remains clearly visible and aesthetically pleasing. Next, interact with the main image by tapping on it. Choose the same image you wish to work with. Within this step, you have the freedom to fine-tune the intensity of the blur effect. Slide your finger to the left to decrease the blur, or to the right to enhance the blur intensity, allowing for precise control over the final visual outcome. Once you have achieved the desired level of blur, confirm your adjustments by tapping the checkmark icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Your edited picture is now ready. Feel free to download and share your creatively enhanced image with your friends, family, or on your preferred social media platforms. Happy editing! And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.